Come on, don't break. Okay, you do it. What's happening, guys? Oh, you don't want to be in my vlog? You sure?
Yeah.
Can I just...
You see me?
You see you? So my wife doesn't want to be in my vlog today. Why not? I can show you her fingers. There's her fingers.
No fingers.
She doesn't. So hopefully you guys are all doing great. So today I'm actually heading to a guy to pick up some wheel caps for my rims that I just had repainted. They were black originally, and I had them powder coated. When I took the rims off to get it powder coated, I have no idea what I did with the caps, right? The little center caps. And so I found a guy that has some selling, so I'm just heading out to meet up with him right now. Okay, so I'm not gonna bother my wife too much. I'm gonna continue the vlog when I get to the guy, right? So yeah. Okay, guys. So I just got to the guy's address that he gave me, and car's right here. His address is a little bit tricky, so I was getting a little frustrated with finding the place, but it all works out. So yeah, so I'll show you guys the set of caps are missing. And I'm hoping that he said he's got, I think, 3 different sizes. So I'm hoping one of the sizes will fit because, I mean, I'm not liking the way the car's looking right now, you know. And then, so we'll see what happens, right? I'll show it to you guys quick. Yeah, so there we go. So I need a center cap for these guys. I'm really not liking it. It looks a little ugly. And he's got the Honda emblem or logo on there, and that is the one I'm looking to get, which I think is gonna look nice. So I'm gonna do a little walk around of the car for you guys. It's really low. Look at that. That is low. I'm gonna raise that up because I'm gonna try and bring it out a little bit. So I'm gonna raise the rear up. The front looks good. The front's sitting pretty well. I mean, that's good. And the good thing with these tires is as you guys can see, it's got a little bit of a curve inwards to it. So if the wheel does come down a little bit, it's got a little bit of a room before it comes down on the tire, which is kind of cool. Didn't plan on it, just worked out that way. Yeah, so go around on this side. Really liking this car. How are you, man? Okay. Okay, so yeah. It's here. Let's see. Think they'll fit. You've got multiple. Can I open it up? So I had some and I took him off and I have no idea where I put them. Let's see. Where's the? No, it does. Shouldn't it have like a little?
No, those are 60. 61 has those. Like
Oh, the bigger ones.
Yeah. These
Oh, okay, all right. So let me see. Let me try it again. So these ones should just pop in then.
Yeah.
Ay. Come on, don't break. Okay, you do it. Looks like it should fit. Nice. I think that's the one. Just pop it in there. Yeah. I think that's probably gonna be the one there. We just get in there. Yeah, it should be that one though. Yeah. Okay, try it in the back and see. Try in that one.
These aftermarket.
Yeah, it should fit in there. It's got to be tight, right? Just pop it in. There we go. Yeah, buddy. That looks nice. Yeah, thumbs up for that. Oh no. Oh no. That one's scratched, man.
Yeah, I think it just fell down.
Yeah, I don't like getting scratched. So it has to be perfect.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm not buying it, so I'm just kidding. It's okay.
No.
It's okay. It's true.
Pulling this off is like a pain in the ass.
It doesn't matter. Because once you take the wheel off,
Okay.
you just knock it out from the back.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, so I think it should be fine. Okay, so let's do it before and after. So that's what it's like before. And this is what it's like after. Yeah, I think it looks complete now.
Beautiful car.
Huh?
Beautiful car.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, should I just pop them all in, you think? Okay guys, as you can see, that one was a little bit tight to go in. It is the right one. So I'm gonna kind of go ahead and see if I can pop them all in. Now that we know that it actually fits, you know, we're not forcing it in there. Oh, see? That was not bad. You already got one in. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that looks so much better. Yeah. Sweet! Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Man, I tell you, sometimes in life it's the little things that makes us the most happiest, you know? These are the little things that makes us happy sometimes, right? So, I mean, wow, like, who would think like a little wheel cap would make me this happy? Yeah, it's complete, man. Yeah, I am a happy man. And all it takes is 4 wheel caps. Okay, so here's the thing. I didn't bring any cash with me. Can I do e-transfer? Get my wife to do right now. How much was it again? 30 bucks? Babes, can you send him 30 bucks? Huh? You can't go on that side. She'll give you give her email. See, I brought my secretary with me. That's amazing. Yeah, so in life, man, sometimes I tell you, it's the little things that that makes us happy, and the little things that gives us the most joy. So, man, who would have think that 4 center cap would have made me this happy? You know. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. You know, so yeah, so I drove what, 25 minutes. Not that I couldn't order this online, but I didn't know the right size, the right fitment, because these are aftermarket rims, and so I wasn't sure. You know, so I didn't want to order something online and then it ended up not being the right size. Like, as you can see, the first one that he was trying didn't fit, right? And he was trying to force it on there. I'm like, you know what, now let's try the other one. And that was the right, that was the correct one. So yeah, so that's why I wanted to get something locally, you know, so that I would have the proper, fitment. And yeah, and if it didn't fit, then I can just always walk away from it. If it did, you know, I can always get it. And also for the future, I can go online and order the correct fitment if I needed to change them or get a different color or whatever it is. Yeah, so let's do a quick little walk around in the car again, and you guys would. Oh yeah, and he also gave me a thumbs up on the car. He likes the car, so I'm sure you guys like it as well. Man, it's looking so much better now. So much better. So much better. Now I just need to get those calipers painted. Yeah, and once that's done, this car's gonna be golden. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. The car is sitting really low right now. Sitting really low right now. I'm actually liking it. Just need to bring the rear wheels out a little bit, so I'll put some spacers on there, and then I'm gonna have to raise it up for that to happen. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm liking it. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and as always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.